Ever run sales like Mario, just jumping blindly, hoping to land on the right block? That's what happens when you don't use your CRM data to predict the next best action. The old way, manually guessing who to call like Trump picking stocks on Twitter. Slow, random, and costly. The AI way, pure superhero mode. Use HubSpot AI or Salesforce Einstein. They crunch call notes, email opens, and deal history. Example, it flags call Sarah today, she just downloaded your white paper. Pair with Clay to enrich contacts, and ChatGPT to draft the perfect follow-up line. Automate with Zapier so actions trigger instantly, no human delay. Need a pro site for deals? Build one free with Moksy.ai. So, why play guessing games when AI already knows your next move? Subscribe now. Episode 20 is flying in next, and it's loaded with AI strategies you'll want first.